In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email in Mailerlite. We'll walk through the entire process from starting a new campaign to designing your email, configuring all the important settings, and finally, previewing, testing, and sending it out. By the end, you'll be confident creating a professional email newsletter inside Mailerlite. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, head to your Campaigns area and click the Create Campaign button. Mailerlite will ask you what type of campaign you want to create. For most newsletters or one-off announcements, choose the regular option. This is the standard type of email you'll send to your subscribers. Next, it's time to design your email. Mailerlite gives you a few options here, but the easiest for most people is the drag and drop editor. Go ahead and select that. You can then decide whether you want to start from a blank layout, pick a ready-made template from the gallery, or reuse a template you've saved before. Templates are great if you want consistent branding and layout from one email to the next. Inside the editor, you'll see a sidebar with different content blocks. To build your email, simply drag elements like text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers onto your email canvas. From there, click on any block to customize it. You can type or paste in your text, upload your own images or logos, adjust fonts and colors to match your brand, and link your buttons to your website, product pages, or sign-up forms. Take your time here. This is where you make your email look and feel like you. After your design is in place, you'll configure your campaign settings. Start by giving your campaign an internal name. This isn't visible to subscribers, it just helps you stay organized. Then write a clear and compelling subject line, along with a short pre-header text that supports it. These are what your subscribers see in their inbox, so make them informative and enticing. Set your from name and email address so people recognize who the email is coming from. Finally, choose who should receive this campaign by selecting your subscriber groups or segments. When everything looks good, click. Next, content to move forward. Before sending, always preview and test. Use the preview feature to see how your email appears on both desktop and mobile. Then send a test email to yourself. Check for typos, broken links, and formatting issues. Once you're happy with everything, you can either send the campaign right away or schedule it for a specific date and time. And that's how you create an email in Mailerlite from start to finish.